Hey guys. All right, so I have 3 boards, 1, 2, and 3. I have it positioned in a way where it's length opposed to width. That's just my preference for how I'm gonna put it on my backdrop. Right here, there's a line of demarcation. It kind of, you can see it, and then sometimes it kind of fades in, so that's really good. So I'm hoping that that won't come through when I switch out my my backgrounds. I don't think it is, because it blends really well. You can hardly even see it. And there's one right here that you can hardly see. So it's 1, 2, 3. I'm going to tape it with this Dollar Tree tape on the back, and then this part will be actually facing toward the back. And the way I'm overlapping it is about an index finger length. So as you can see, my finger right there, just overlapping it just a little bit right there. Just remember that I'm taping it on the inside, so you can't see the tape, because I didn't like how the other part came out. I don't want the tape to be visible. I don't know how it's going to look yet, but if I can hide the tape, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to try to tape underneath. You know what I mean? I actually think if you tape like this, that would be better, so that it would, you know, fit underneath. So that's what I'm going to do. I think this will be the optimal way to do it. I decided that I actually want to tape the long way, because it takes up more space and I'll be done quicker. So I'm just going to pop this underneath here. You know what I mean? I'm going to pop it underneath there. Okay, so all done, all done, all done. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to hang it up, and I'm going to show you which clips I'm going to use. I'm just going to clip it on the side of my room divider. If you're hanging this up on your wall, you can hang it however you want to. You can use 1 piece. It's just really up to you. But I decided to go with 6 pieces because I wanted it to be big, and I was hanging it on my room divider. But I know some people could only just use 1, this whole big piece. You don't even need as many as I use, so you can really do it for 69 cents. But with me, I just decided to use 6 pieces because I'm putting it on my room divider. So, hey guys, so I'm back, and this is the final product. You can see the line of demarcations right here. You can see some tape, but none of that is going to matter because you will not be able to see it. You will not be able to notice it, so that's very, very good. I'm going to put some images on the back. I'm going to put like a video on the back, and y'all let me know which one is your favorite. I'm probably going to put numbers in the corner. Y'all let me know which one is your favorite, but it came out really, really great, so I'm super, super excited. So just stay along for the ride, and I can't wait till y'all try this. And hold on. If you want to try it, please give me a shout out too, you know. God, give me a shout out too. Okay, but let's just get started with these backdrops. I'm using Final Cut Pro X. If you do not have it, you could just use the trial to see if you'll like it. I'm going to click on this icon right here, and I'm going to type in the word Keyer. And you're going to take this, and you're going to drag it on top of the green. And it takes out, you see how it blocks out the green? It's going to take a picture. It could be a picture, a video, whatever you want in the background. And there you have it. Yes, that's cute, girl. Yes, that's cute. If you want a more in-depth video on how to do this, just let me know. I love y'all so much.